one time he just decided to go half a mile. Look at girl. Look at Katie, she's like, screw y'all, I'm going for a flip. Katie, you're going wrong here.
Katie, no.
Somebody just go on that food.
No, but then she'd always go there and expect to be helped up. And like, Katie, come on.
Works pretty good, doesn't it, Loki Low? Take it out. All right, hang on.
Swim, baby boy, swim. Look at him. Oh, honey bun.